you like it. Unicorn themed party. Let's get started. We're going to start with our pink runner across our table. Then once that's done, we're going to put our themed paper plates onto the table. So this was a setup for 10 people. So we just put them this way, and then we're also just gonna put it on this side instead of that side because we want the kids to see the other kid, the birthday girl in front. Then we put cups, and then we put sweets in them to like create the straw effect, as well as to also help them not fly away when it's windy. So this is just a way that we do it. So these are also themed cups for this unicorn birthday party. So this was Faith's third birthday that we had to set up. Once that's done, we're going to put our party packs. So we also had a themed party pack for her. So this time we just thought of putting the party packs in front of the plates instead of putting them on the plates because we thought it wasn't as windy. But when it's really windy, you can put it on top of the paper plates. So yeah, once that's done, we're going to be able to put our centerpieces. We also got unicorn centerpieces for this themed party. The unicorn theme is actually quite colorful and it's pretty beautiful. Yeah, I'm just going to just clear it, just make sure that it's in one line. And yeah, that's what I was trying to do. Once that's done, that's when we're going to put our unicorn centerpieces onto the table. Then once also that's done, we're going to show you how it looks with the unicorns in the middle. So these are the lights unicorn centerpieces we have. Once we're done, we're going to put our chairs, our Tiffany chairs, kitty's chairs. We're going to just make sure that we sit 4 on the one side and then 4 on the other side, and then at this edge we're going to put 2. So we're just going to make sure they also like sit diagonally so that when they sit they can be able to see the birthday girl as well. Then we're just going to put the other 2 Tiffany kitty's chairs here. Once that's done, we're going to put the last 3 on the other side because remember we said we're sitting 4 on the other side. Then once that's done, this is our final look. This is our themed unicorn party. Please like and subscribe and hit the notification bell for more videos like this. Thank you.